Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself, painting your wall. For only 450 pesos, you can easily do it yourself, painting your wall. The materials that you need are paint, flat black, latex, and then the poster color gold, paintbrush, and of course the newspaper. It's for covering up the area so you won't get messy. The first thing that you need to do is of course draw an outline. So it's my sister who drew an outline for the tree. Then we painted together. We started the black area, the trunk, and then after that we colored the leaves of color gold